Hey guys, the time is now. We are going to be trying out the Peter Roth amazing instant firm collagen infusion tightening eye patches. This is the before. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Okay, y'all. So, first time trying these. So, fresh face, no filters. I miss my lashes, the fake lashes, but it's okay. So, this is what we're going to do. So, the instructions say that you keep them on for like hour or two till they just get opaque and they kind of infuse into your skin like butter. They're going to tighten these bad boys and we're going to say goodbye to these bags. Amen. Yes. Okay, let's do that. I'm just playing. It's like a little fish. Ooh, it like sucks. Ooh, it sucks right onto your eye. And they're flexible, guys, so you can like adjust it to your eye. This feels amazing. I am so excited to try this. Oh, I already can tell it's gonna be so cute. What do you think, honey?
Oh yeah, it got a whole entire side like that. That's a new style. A little piece on your nose.
Oh, I broke it, Jesus. I'm so jealous. My nails. So be careful. They are definitely nice and sensitive. Ooh, these feel amazing. Ooh.
So that was definitely the perfect way to do it, looks like. Oh, that's funny.
Isn't it cool?
It is.
Is that too low? You want to go higher?
Oh, no. I feel it's fine.
Hey, you got the best eyelash. I need your eyelashes.
Oh, wow, look at that. You see my eyes squinting. Look at that.
Okay?
Good. I'm good.
Is that okay?
Oh, yeah, this is cool.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
We about to be looking gorgeous. No bags. They won't tell our parents, babe. They're not going to tell.
So if you wear this thing for like way too long, will it make your eyes squint?
Probably. You got the best eyelashes, honey. Oh my gosh. I need your eyelashes. See, the Lord knew. The Lord knew not to give me your eyelashes.
Chicken fried rice.
How you feel?
Feel good.
Isn't it
Oh,
cool?
wow. That's what
You got good friends.
Too egg roll for you. Oh,
all
man.
love, no disrespect to anybody that's Korean.
No,
we love you. We're just
yeah.
joking.
Hey, everyone's good.
Amen.
Oh man, wow, it's amazing. How
does it feel?
This is good stuff. Wow,
cool?
yeah, it's like it always starts tightening. This is gonna be awesome right here. Wow. Oh wow, this is really cool. Wow, this is like the new facials right here.
It is.
Oh, wow, this is amazing. Wow.
All right, we'll see you guys in an hour or two. Hey guys, I am back. It's like 2.5 hours later and definitely are clear. It is super tight when it gets to this stage. Hubby is definitely asleep, so I'll just do his in the morning because you can sleep in these overnight. But I had to get some content done and some business things, so I figured I just gotta get some work done. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take them off. Let's see how it looks. It's super tight though. Oh wow. Oh wow. I see a huge difference. I'm gonna try to put the before up here as well too. But it really like flattened it down. I see a difference compared to how it was looking back earlier. Ooh, wow. That's amazing. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. And then you just kind of just dat the product in there like so. Ooh, I like these. Oh my gosh. I see a huge difference because before it was so much darker. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll put the before picture here. Look at the difference. That's really amazing. Wow. Grab yours right here. This is amazing. Comment down below if you want to see hubby's after. This is so cool.